welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. What we are going to do today is we are going to go ahead and compare three type of mics. That is, first we'll be comparing the wireless Intex mic, which is with the Intex mic and the receiver. We are going to compare that with this normal wired mic which I am using to record the video, to check the audio differences within that. And also we are going to compare this collar mic, that is nothing but a lavalier collar mic, and we'll check which of the audios are the best in them. So let's start. In this channel mostly I go ahead and give reviews on products which I do purchase myself, and I do leave the links for them below which you can follow to buy them. And I also go ahead and give you tech news. I do unboxing videos over here, and mostly tomorrow I'll be doing another unboxing video over here. And we also go ahead, I go ahead and do shop reviews whenever I get free time on them. So first to see, we are going to go ahead and check the wired mic which I'm using at the moment. You can go ahead and check how the sound quality over here is there in the wired mic. So I have changed from this wireless mic to wired mic because there was some disturbance in between, but we will test that out in this video. With the sound which you're hearing now on the wired mic is the testing, live testing of the mic also. So we are just checking out how the quality of the mic is how is the quality of the mic in the words of recording. So this has been tested now. So let's go to the wireless, shift to the wireless mic and see how the quality of mic in that is. So now I've gone ahead and fixed the wireless mic with the adapter connected to my camera to go ahead and see the voice clarity in this compared to the wired mic which I was using before. So let's go ahead and test all this out completely. First we tested this one, now we are testing the wireless mic to see the quality, which one is better, and then I'll be giving a review after checking each and every quality of this. And as I told you before, this is a live testing of the mics. Okay guys, these two things are being tested now. So the third would be this collar mic. I'm keeping the wire about to show you that it's a wired collar mic. That's nothing but a lavalier collar mic, to see how the sound quality of this is. So this one is just about 329 rupees. This one is about 989 rupees, as I made a video on both of them separately, which you can go ahead and check in the all videos tab. And this one comes around 1500, the wireless mic of Intex. So now we'll go ahead and test all these qualities and quality of the audio which has been recorded in all of these mics, and we will check which one sounds the best. Okay, so what I felt in all this recordings is the costliest mic, this one, the wireless mic, is the worst one in the recording pattern. It had some disturbance in between. I think so even you could have heard that well. And the second on this way, which gave a proper performance over this, was this wired mic, which had a proper 360-degree audio quality with proper dynamic recording also. But it was just a little bit better than the wireless mic. And this one is 1500 and this one is 989 rupees. But the best audio quality which I got was this 329 rupees lavalier mic. As it's a collar mic, it comes very close to my mouth while I'm speaking, like over here in my collar, and the quality recorded in this I suggest is the best which I could find. But I'm used to using big mics, so I'm using this mic for all my videos. But in case you're looking out for a startup mic, you can go with this because the quality is on par with the costly mics also without any problem. So this one would be a very good choice, and link of this mic and this mic and the adapters is given in the description. If you wish, you can go ahead and check that out without any problem. So if you did like the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and do leave your comments about this description of the mics which I have given over here, because your feedback is the most appreciated thing in this channel. So go ahead and give your feedback. Which of the audio quality did you feel is the best? For me, the lavalier mic was good, but for you, you might feel like some other mic is a better voice, audio quality you have got on that. So go ahead and please go ahead and let me know by your comments, so that I can go ahead and apply that even in my video. And if you did like the video, as I told you, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.